So let's get started with the tour of WyoTech. We're in Laramie, Wyoming at the WyoTech campus with HDA Truck Pride's group. We're taking a tour of this amazing facility. I am so excited to share with you what they are doing here to bring an entire new generation of technicians to the commercial trucking industry. So come on with me, let's go on the tour together. You're gonna love what you see. This facility is awesome. As you can see behind me, they have a truck on a hoist here. They give students the opportunity to work on commercial trucks. And as we will continue with the tour, you're going to see that students are given an opportunity to focus on various aspects, but they have the equipment here to provide students with the training necessary so that when they enter into the workforce, they will be prepared to help keep commercial trucks on the road. Students don't get a chance to just work on commercial trucks, they get to work on small equipment and big equipment.